He left me at the payphone, trying to call home. I'm moving around, I have to toss and turn.
Hello. I wonder who I called on the payphone.
That's really loud. Okay.
It wasn't down. Wind mine. Why was it down like that?
Bloopers.
Fuck. Shit. We screwed up the shot.
Fuck my shadow.
No! Wind mine.
Yeah.
They hung up on me. Fuck off. Oh shit. Here it is.
Yeah, I'm gone.
I guess go. That was good.
Oh my god, Johnny, you work out?
Bloopers. If you tell me to go do something. What a kidnapper. Literally gonna kidnap.
Kidnapper? Why then?
We're gonna go do some exercise.
Exercise. Back at it again with Theo vandalized.
I thought this was fucking... I know this was...
No!
I know this was bloopers. I thought this was...
I think you're really shit.
I can't do it with this much water in it.
Yeah.
Like where your kidneys are. Which one will it be? Oh, I can bounce back off. Maybe not.
Hey!
Nope. Bad.
Hey, we're doing a vlog now. We're doing a vlog. It
wasn't even that good, but it might be in the film. I don't know. Who knows? Like, who knows? Everything that I say right now could literally be in it. I could chuck this whole fucking thing in it. But I'm not gonna. Honestly, a really shit one.